What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another YouTube short. I'm about to hit another blinker for y'all. I am back at it in the warehouse. This time I'm on the forklift. Look at this shit. I'm on the forklift. I'm about to hit a blinker for y'all. Fuck, I can't remember straight. Ah, shit. I was smoking on that Tangy. I'm about to fade it for y'all. Gotta pop the cart. I hate when that shit happens. About to do it to 2.1 volts. Cheers, boys. Let's fucking. Smoke the fuck up, niggas.